My boy Manor doing a little bit 20 kg kettlebell and a 25 kg chain, little farmer's walk, little groundwork. Okay, let's go. Put the chain on. In the greens with the roses, with the red roses and the purples. Walk up slowly, slow it down so I can go back. Slow it down. Slow it down. Do the greens. Come over here. Put it down. Pick the hammer up. The heavy hammer, Thor hammer. Yeah. Nice, beautiful. Little rotations. Keep the stomach tight. 3 more. Beautiful. 3. The oblique work. Blue collar style in the greens. 1 more. And beautiful. Relax. Put it down. Perfect. Take the chain off. You want to say something to the people? Hyderabad people? Peace. Yeah, we need more peace. In the greens, in the roses, yellows, purples. Beautiful.